alright, the DTL Rough Guy album launch in Balama, artist in album performer, baby and pass through.
Sure.
Never some support down to okay, 10 year on our show on the DTL album launch. Okay, which name do you go by at and Canada to support the show and a general assessment about the show?
Wow. Actually, the number one answer for my question.
Okay.
Like Rough Guy is just like a brother to me.
Okay.
Yeah, and then no kunye SEK music, man.
Okay.
And actually, this particular program or album launch, like Nakulele Kwanangi, one of the best.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think Rough Guy show ila oku show him got the banda no for the dancehall side he dey work. And actually fan base mark bazaar sugba on the benchama.
Okay.
Come on, this is an Monday show.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
then chika tiza ina tap so as a brother.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what should we expect from you to the fans? But I need to promise it. Me eat carrying show or album or any single or video.
Wow.
No.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna ndina mela plan just like no can perform last song share follow who no road.
Okay.
No follow who no road, don't follow Gmonfoma.
Okay.
I think
do I want me to
yeah, so it's just on the pipeline together with White Sham and Don D.
Okay.
The fan base should expect something nice from us.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Ntaha Uncle Wumshama and your fans out there. Do you have like a social media tag? We use this opportunity to sell ourselves and on Audio Max and YouTube.
Sure.
Which name will they search you and how to subscribe?
Well,
if
everyone wants to get in touch with Skimo Massive,
okay,
it's our Facebook. Then you Don Skimo.
Don Skimo.
Yeah, on
okay.
IG is Skimo Official.
Okay.
Instagram, bella.
Okay.
Audio TikTok. Audio Mac is Skimo Massive. YouTube
okay.
Skimo Massive.
Okay.
And TikTok Skimo Official.
Okay, it's like almost all platforms.
Yeah.
I talk with type because Skimo Massive Markana and Saha and your best Skimo Official. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much. Awa.